Welcome to the Health Insurance Marketplace. Para continuar en español, marque el 2 ahora.
What the fuck do you want?
Let's get... What was that? Please tell me the state you're calling about.
Worthless piece of shit nigger.
I still didn't understand. To
Fuck
connect you to the
yourself,
right marketplace
jag
agent, I need the state where you...
Take a blue
All right. A marketplace representative will be happy to help you. I'll connect you now. This call may be monitored or recorded for quality and training purposes. After speaking with the... What was that? I'm asking if you're willing to take a survey regarding your customer experience after you speak with our agent.
Take a
Please
blue
say
man,
yes
move.
or
Stick
no.
it up your ass as far as you can get it. Suck that fucking nigger's little bitty fucking woman's dick,
All of our
asshole.
representatives are currently assisting other callers.
What
Please
part
stay
of
on the
it
line,
is an
and our
asshole,
next
don't you
available
understand?
representative will assist you.
Shut up and listen. Worthless piece of shit. You can lick my balls. Why don't you just go fuck Daryl McCall up the ass in Irwin, North Carolina? Eat shit and die, you fucking low-life motherfuckers! Eat shit and die, you... know you suck niggers fucking little bitty fucking dicks. Your mother know you do that? You sucking my dick or you sucking my baby's dick? Oh.
Are you one of the 50 million Americans that need health insurance? The healthcare law gives qualified people access to health insurance through the new health insurance marketplace.
Fuck
Individuals,
off,
families, and small business owners in every state and the District of Columbia can shop at the marketplace for private insurance coverage that begins in January 2014.
No,
Check out
I didn't call
healthcare.gov
you.
to learn if you qualify for a free or low-cost plan or savings that
You
lower
called
your
me,
monthly
bitch.
premiums right away.
Why the fuck is my phone ringing? Leave me alone, I didn't call you.
Hi, welcome to the Health Insurance Marketplace. My name is Josh Dawson. How can I help you today?
Eat a big fucking bucket full of shit and die. Suck that fucking nigger's little bitty fucking woman's dick, asshole.
You still there with me, sir?
No, you suck nigger's fucking little bitty fucking dicks. Your mother know you do that? Go fuck yourself with a broom handle.
Today with the marketplace?
Shut up and listen. And then you bend over, spit in your cheeks, and I'll shove a telephone pole up your fucking ass. Hello?
Sir, yeah, I'm still here with you. What can I do for you here at the marketplace today?
Worthless piece of shit nigger. Shut up! Fuck off!
You still there with me, sir?
Tell your faggot D-Money he can lick my ass again. Take a blue
All right,
man.
sir. Bear with me here just a...
Hey, get the shit out of your mouth, you stupid motherfucker.
Sir, can I go ahead and get your first and last name so I can help you out here with the marketplace?
Alan Jones.
All right, Mr. Jones. And what can we go ahead and do for you here at the marketplace?
You can lick my balls. Yeah. Glad you got the message. Hello?
Yeah, I'm still here with you, Mr. Jones.
What the fuck do you want?
I was trying to go ahead and help you out as much as possible with the health insurance marketplace, but you haven't given me any information that I can help you with.
You call me, chat up. What do you want?
I didn't call you. I answered your phone call to us.
You called me, bitch. My phone just rang. I answered it. You're on the other end.
I answered the call as soon as it came in. I did not give you a phone call.
Why don't you fucking tell Beryl to go fucking suck it Montavious' dick? He knows who Montavious is. Tell him to suck Montavious' dick one more time. My phone just rang. I answered it. You're on the other end.
Sir, I will be happy to help you with this situation as it pertains to the marketplace. However, if you continue to use this type of language, I will disconnect the call.
Leave me alone. I didn't call you. Take the shit out of your mouth and talk normally.
Sir, I am talking normally, but however, if you continue to use this type of language, I will disconnect the call.
Go fuck yourself with a broom handle. You can lick my balls.
Sir, is there anything we can help you with the situation that pertains to the marketplace? If there is nothing to do here, if you continue to use this type of language, I will disconnect the call.
I haven't used any language except the English language.
All right, sir. Is there anything we can help you with the marketplace then?
What part of being an asshole don't you understand? You really think you're something, don't you? This crackhead. Hey. Hello?
Welcome to the Health Insurance Marketplace Call Center. My name is Linda Chambers, and how may I help you?
You can lick my balls. Why don't you fucking tell Beryl
Hello, caller
to go suck that fucking nigger's little bitty fucking woman's dick, asshole.
Hello.
Hello?
Welcome to the Health Insurance Marketplace. This is Paris Hines speaking. How may I help you?
Hey, fuck you. Suck that fucking nigger's little bitty fucking woman's dick, asshole.
Welcome to the Health Insurance Marketplace. Para continuar en español, marque el 2 ahora.
Hey, go fucking eat some shit, bitch.
Let's get...
Fuck me,
Tell me the
bitch.
state you're calling about.
I bet your mother is bitch.
I still didn't...
Eat a big fucking
All right.
bitch.
Our marketplace representative will be happy to help
Yeah,
you.
and you're
I'll
a bitch.
connect you now.
Yeah, and
This
you're
call
a
may be
bitch.
monitored or recorded for quality
Yeah,
and
and you're
training
a bitch.
purposes.
Fuck
After
off and
speaking with
die,
the marketplace
bitch.
representative...
You can lick my bitch.
What was that?
You can lick my bitch.
All of our representatives are currently assisting other callers.
Fuck
Please
yourself,
stay on
bitch.
the line, and our next available representative will assist you.
Bitch. Killing you would be easiest, bitch. Worthless piece of shit, bitch. Shut up, bitch. How about faggot nigger D-money to kiss my bitch? Happy Thanksgiving, bitch. What the fuck you want, bitch? No, I didn't call you, bitch.
Welcome to the Marketplace Call Center. My name is Erin Miller. How may I help you?
Hey, guess what, motherfucker? You can lick my balls. Suck that fucking nigger's.
Thank you for calling Missouri One Call, the Missouri Call Before You Dig service. If you need to excavate due to an emergency, press 1. To report the damage or disturbance of a buried utility, press 3. If you will be digging in the next 10 working days and need utilities marked, press 5. If you are calling, a dig-up notification is not a request for markings, but a notice of damage or disturbance of an underground facility. Only the damaged utility is required to respond. If you have damaged a pipeline, you are under obligation imposed by federal law to call 911. The excavator may continue to dig using existing markings if visible and accurate, or request a remark. All calls are recorded and may be monitored for quality assurance.
Missouri One Call, this is Brandis, assistant emergency, or have you damaged the line?
Don't
Hello?
call this number again. Don't call this
Hello?
number.
Yes, I'm hearing more than one conversation.
Hey, fuck you. Suck that fucking nigger's little bitty fucking woman's dick, asshole. Hello?
Hello?
Shut up and listen.
Hello?
What
Hello?
part of
Yes.
being an asshole don't you understand?
Sir, I think you have the wrong number because you're doing a lot of cursing. I think you have the wrong number.
Hey, guess what, motherfucker? No, I didn't call you. You called me, bitch.
Okay. Caller, I cannot hear you. Please hang up. Try again.
My phone just rang. I answered it. You're on the other end.
Okay, sir, I apologize. I did not call you, so if you don't need this call, you can hang up. I apologize for you getting on the line.
Hey, fuck you!
Sir, if you say F me one more time, I'm going to have to call my supervisor.
You can lick my balls.
From single-family homes to farms, multifamily housing units to businesses, industrial areas, mobile home courts, and even in-road right-of-ways, private underground facilities are everywhere. Most owners of these buried utilities don't register them with the call center, so we can't notify them when you call us. Excavators must take special precautions to avoid contact with these facilities. Conduct detailed inspections. Ask residents questions. For instance, if a building is heated, what's the source? If it's lighted, where's the electrical connection? Low voltage lighting, invisible fences, landscape lighting, sprinkler systems, phone systems, propane and natural gas lines are just a few of the types of private buried lines that aren't registered with the One Call Center, so be careful. The One Call Center asks you to pay attention to.
Hello?
Hello? Yes, sir. I will be disconnecting this call now.
I haven't used any language except the English language.
Okay, sir. I will be hanging up this call now.
No. Take a blue
What is
man.
it that you need?
Oh, fuck off. Hey, go fucking eat some shit, you piece of fucking crap dog, dick motherfucker.
Operator disconnecting call due to derogatory language.
I bet your mother is so proud of you.
excavator may continue to dig using existing markings if visible and accurate.
Hello again.
Or remark. All calls are recorded and may be monitored for quality assurance.
Missouri one call. This is Brandon. Is this an emergency or have you damaged the line?
It's another fucking nigger. Suck that fucking nigger's little bitty fucking 1-inch dick, asshole. Don't call this number again. What the fuck do you want? Take a balloon handle and stick it up your ass as far as you can get it. I bet your mother is so proud of you. You know you suck niggers fucking little bitty fucking dicks. Your mother know you do that? You sucking my dick or you sucking Montavious' dick? And then you bend those, split your cheeks or I'll shove a telephone pole up your fucking ass. Alan Jones. I'm in North Carolina. Shut up and listen. What part of it? Bitch. Darryl McCall, alias D-Money. Hello? Worthless piece of shit. Hello?
A request for markings, but a notice of damage or disturbance of an underground facility.
Hey, who the fuck do you are?
Is required to respond. If you have damaged a pipeline, you are under obligation to federal law to call 911. Markings visible and accurate, or all calls are recorded and may be monitored for quality assurance.
Caller number 1, waiting to speak with a representative. Thank you for your patience.
Detective Bird. Contact Detective Bird of the Johnson County Sheriff's Department, North Carolina. This is a prank phone call originated by Detective Bird.
We are pleased to announce that you can use iTick, an internet application, to process routine and renewal tickets online. This means if you are interested, please email us at info@occ.occ.
Go fuck yourself with a broom handle.
At occinc.com or call 573-636-1550.
Detective Bird.
Your call is now first in line and will be answered by the next available representative. Thank you for your patience.
Fuck you.
Missouri one call, this is Carrie. Speaking of this emergency or heavy damage on line.
You know you suck niggers fucking little bitty fucking dicks. Your mother know you do that?
Excuse me?
You can lick my balls.
Our calls are recorded, and we are turning the recordings and caller ID information over to the police.
Hey, who the fuck? Hey, fuck you!
4, request a remark. All calls are recorded and may be monitored for quality assurance.
Good.
Missouri one call, this is Dashiana. Is this an emergency? Have you damaged the line?
Eat some shit. brush your teeth with it. Go fuck yourself with a broom handle.
Hello?
You can lick my balls.
I'm going to disconnect this call, sir. Goodbye.
Look, bitch, call your local police department.
And will be answered by the next available representative. Thank you for your patience.
Good. Second bird.
Thank you for calling Missouri One Call. My name is Dolly. Is this an emergency?
Look, bitch, call your local police department.
Thank you for calling Missouri. This is Missouri One Call. My name is Dolly. Is this an emergency?
Hey, fuck you! Take the shit out of your mouth, you
I'm sorry,
stupid
caller, but I'm unable to
motherfucker.
hear you. If you can hear me, please disconnect and call the center back for a better connection.
You can lick my balls.
Operator, disconnect and call.
Fuck off and die. Get a life, you